Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a moving average on TradingView, step by step. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to set up your charts properly, this tutorial will walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. The first thing you need to do is open TradingView. Head over to the TradingView website and make sure you're logged into your account. Being logged in lets you save your settings, layouts, and indicators, which is important if you want your chart set up to stay exactly how you left it. Once you're inside TradingView, it's time to open your chart. To do this, go to the top of the page, click on Products, and then select Supercharts. This will take you directly to the main charting interface. From there, choose the financial instrument you want to work with. It can be a forex pair, a stock, a crypto asset, or anything else you prefer. Any chart that TradingView supports will work for this tutorial. Now that you've selected your chart, let's add the moving average. At the top of the chart, you'll see the indicators icon. It's the little symbol that looks just like the one you see on screen. Click it, and a search box will appear. In that search box, type moving average. TradingView will show you several options, including simple, exponential, and many others. The next step is choosing the type of moving average you want. You can go with the SMA, which stands for simple moving average, or the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average. If you're new to indicators, the SMA is usually a good place to start because it gives equal weight to all the price points in the series. If you want something that reacts faster to price changes, then the EMA might be the better choice. Once your moving average appears on the chart, it's time to customize it. To do that, click on the little settings icon next to the moving average label on your chart. A menu will open where you can adjust the period, which controls how the moving average is calculated. You can also change the color, thickness, and overall appearance to make it easier to see on your chart. Feel free to experiment until it looks exactly the way you want. After setting it up, you can start analyzing the market using your moving average. The moving average helps smooth out the noise in the price action so you can clearly see the direction of the trend. This makes it much easier to identify whether the market is moving up, down, or sideways. Finally, you can apply trading strategies based on moving averages. Many traders use strategies like moving average crossovers, where a short-term MA crosses above or below a long-term MA. But keep in mind that not all moving average strategies are effective, and in future videos, I'll explain why and show you better alternatives. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know exactly how to add, customize, and use a moving average on TradingView. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful trading tutorials.